Now, with reference to Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Right Act, okay. So this is very, very, very important, okay. We have a law where, very important law, to protect our plant varieties, okay. Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Right Act 2001. Even though it is this act is very important, it comes in news often, okay. Now this act have become important in relation to national seed policy, okay. Now recently, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare has finalized a draft seed bill 2019, okay. So as per the draft seed bill 2019, okay, as per the draft seed bill 2019, what it says that the new bill provides, that is this draft seed bill says that compulsory registration of any kind or variety of seeds, okay, sought to be sold, and they must be meet minimum. So what it says that, or any kind, means any seed, any kind or variety of seeds have to be compulsorily registered, okay, and they should meet some minimum prescribed standards. So draft seed policy make it mandatory to register all types of seeds which are to be sold, and a minimum standards is required for seeds. So this is one of the changes brought by the draft seeds bill, which is introduced by, or which have been finalized by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers bill. We will have some idea regarding the features of this plant varieties protection bill, okay. We'll first see that, okay. So under this bill, or sorry, under this act, okay, Plant Varieties Protection of Plant Varieties Act and Farmers Right Act, okay, it's, see, this is one difference between this Protection of Plant Varieties Act and draft seed bill. Under Protection of Plant Varieties Act, registration of seed is not compulsory, it is voluntary. So under the Protection of Plant Varieties Act, registration of seeds is voluntary, but under the draft seeds bill 2019, registration is mandatory. So this difference you keep in mind, okay. So under this act, application for registration should contain complete data of parental line from which seed variety was produced, okay. So the complete data of parental line is required when you register, okay. Then there is earlier under this law, there was a transitory provision under which Plant Variety Protection Appellate Tribunal is established, okay, under the Intellectual Property Appellate Board will exercise. So what this transitory provision is that till Plant Varieties Protection Appellate Tribunal is established, Intellectual Property Appellate Board will exercise jurisdiction over this particular law. So if there is any complaints, it will be dealt by Intellectual Property Appellate Board. But once this tribunal is established, it will be this Plant Varieties Protection Appellate Tribunal will directly deal the cases regarding seeds and other Plant Varieties Act, okay, plant varieties, etc. Okay. So now currently, this is one important current affair. Currently, we are having an appellate tribunal, what we call it as Plant Varieties Protection Appellate Tribunal, and it has been established recently by appointing a technical member. Now, all orders or decisions of the registration of authority relating to registration of variety, or orders or decision of the registrar relating to registration or as agent or license can be appealed in the tribunal. See, okay. So all decisions of the registrar of authority under this act can now be appealed to the Plant Varieties Protection Appellate Tribunal, okay, and the decision of this tribunal can be challenged, you can again appeal it in the High Court, okay. So now the registrar of authority under this act, if take any decision, you can appeal to this Plant Varieties Protection Appellate Tribunal, and if further if you want to appeal, you can appeal to the High Court. Now we will try to solve this question, okay. Now regarding this act, what we will see that what are the features of this act, okay. Its first statement says that all varieties of seeds for the sale, so all varieties of seeds for the sale has to be compulsorily registered and must meet minimum standards, okay. This compulsory registration is not there in this act, but This compulsory registration have been introduced under Draft Seeds Bill. But this question is regarding this Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Right Act. So first statement is wrong. Why? Compulsory. It's not compulsory. It is voluntary only. Now, the application for registration should contain complete data of parental line from which seed variety was produced. This statement is correct. Regarding the third statement, all appeals against the order or decision of the authority relating to registration of variety can be made in Intellectual Property Appellate Board. This was a temporary provision. Now we have a Plant Protection Tribunal, Appellate Tribunal. So third statement is also wrong. So your answer will come as 2 only.